look what John gave me. Look, he gave me 2 eggs and an infinity cube, which is my favorite, and the X-Man, that is your favorite.
Hi Tiger, what are we doing today?
We're going to the mall.
Cool, what are we doing at the mall?
Shop.
Basketball shop? We're not going basketball shop. We're gonna look for some fidget spinner and some new toy, huh Tiger? Yeah. Are you ready? You put your seatbelt on? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job. Okay, here we go. Tiger, we're here. Wake up. Wake up, Tiger.
Wait, which way are we in? The front or the back?
Oh, we're going through the back way, Tiger.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. Did you sleep good? Yeah, you slept good?
Yeah.
You dream of a biggie.
Now, can I see your arm?
What's your arm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then close the door, Tiger. Yeah, I'll close for you.
Oh, you ran over a spoon.
What? I ran over a spoon? Who's that? Your spoon?
No.
Whose spoon is that, Tiger?
Somebody.
Joseph's spoon? Okay, let's go. Let's go, Tiger. Nope, that's not it, Tiger. Nope. Look who's there, Tiger. That's John.
Hey, Tiger, how you doing?
How you doing, John?
Pretty good. How are you?
Pretty good. Say hi, John.
Hi, John.
What do you think about my new toy cart?
Cool. You took out what do you call it? The layering, whatever. Bottom.
Yeah, we pick up the wraps and bottom
Yeah.
to add more shelves for the toys.
Oh wow, you got a lot of new toys. Look at that, Tiger. Look. Look at that, Tiger. See it? You go in the loop. Is that the one that go in the loop too?
Yes.
Whoa, look at that.
Let's see. I want to do some loop.
Ooh. You can see? See the dinosaur? Rah. Look at that. That's cool, huh, Tiger?
Yeah.
See the low light? That's the
car drone.
what?
A car drone.
Oh, it's actually a car, and then you fly it. Yeah,
Yeah.
air wheel. That's awesome, Tiger. Yeah. Oh, look, it goes sideways, Tiger. Look. It flipped. Oh, it's gone. Look, see, it's stuck now.
How did you get that?
Can it stop already?
Yeah. Oh, look at this. You got some new fidget spinner. Look at the bullet. See the bullet? Look at that. Look at the bullet, Tiger. It's awesome. Look like, oh, we got different colored cubes. Oh, it's cool. You built this?
Yeah, there's customer there.
Oh, that's custom. Check it out. Wow, look at that. We should do slow motion, huh, Tiger?
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
slow motion? Oh, look at this, Tiger. Look at
We
that.
got the infinity cubes.
What is that? See that, Tiger?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Wow. It looks like a transformer cube, huh? That's cool. Look at that.
Ah.
Don't drop it.
That's the newest one we got there.
Yeah, that's nice, John. Let's see. It's pretty heavy? Oh, it's not heavy at all, huh? I thought it'd be heavier.
Then like,
Wow, look at it. You got a lot of new ones.
The one in here is all new ones.
Wow, look at that, Tiger.
What?
See that? Look at that. You got a bunch of new ones, Tiger. Look.
Ow.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Look at that.
What is this?
Wow. See it there?
Yeah, what is this?
And then also check to see the one down here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's a nice one here.
What is this? Like a spinner thing? What is this?
Yeah, see some.
This is through the.
Look
I
there.
know.
It's a
Oh,
cup.
Like that.
Look at this.
It's big.
oh, that's cool, Tiger.
And right there, it will last
Long,
between
huh?
4 to 5 minutes.
That's a long time, Tiger.
Ah, there's two.
See this?
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Oh, good. You need more practice, Tiger. There you go. Well, how you play with this, John? I've seen
This
this.
here is like it's a thumb truck. That's what we have up here.
Huh?
It's something new.
How you play with it? What's the deal? What's the deal
You
with it?
know, you need some practice. You can spin at this.
Oh, okay. That's how you play with it.
Just
eh?
kind of fidget around with that.
Huh?
Ah.
That's hazard.
That's good.
Yeah.
Hey, Tiger, try this one out, Tiger.
Try it.
Try
Check it out.
Ah.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Catch it. Got it. Almost got it. he's still practicing. That's cool, John.
Have you guys ever seen this before?
Nah.
Tiger.
Tiger.
You seen this before?
What's
Kind
that?
of like a match ball. Check this out. Look at this.
Oh, that's cool. Shoot in slow motion on that one. That's cool. What are you doing, Tiger?
It's like
Yeah, it's really durable.
Yeah.
It looks like it's gonna pop. But it's not
Yeah.
gonna pop. It's pretty good.
That's cool. How to change color like that?
It's inside is I guess in some kind of gel there.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Look at the egg, Tiger.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
Tiger.
This we call this a chicken eggs,
Chicken egg, Tiger. Look.
and you drop it in water for 12 hours.
Yeah.
The egg would hatch into the chicken.
What? You hear that?
Ah.
That's cool, huh?
So I can put it on the side for you. You can try this out at home.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
we say to John again, huh?
Thank you.
And also like for the mash ball. What's your favorite color? We got green, pink, orange, and blue.
No, no, what are you doing? You're not ask for more, Tiger. He give you one, that's it, Tiger. What are you doing, huh?
What do you think about the mesh ball? You like that?
That's nice too, huh? You can show mommy. When mommy has stress, she can play with it, Tiger.
So you gotta go all the way up to there and then put all the way back to have more,
really?
more power.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, that's cool. That was
And you
cool.
know what's funny? I like this one here. It's a dinosaur. And then it can lay eggs.
Lay eggs. Oh, my child's attacking you. Oh, what? Look at the egg, Tiger. And it's still going. Oh, no. They got more egg, Tiger. You see that?
It's pretty cool here.
Look at that.
It's one of the newer ones.
Can we cook the egg?
Yeah, you cook it.
Want to cook the egg, Tiger? I put the egg in, like that on top. Yeah, that's cool. You got some cool stuff, John.
We got.
Wow.
We always tried our best to get the hottest and the coolest toys.
Oh yeah, this Christmas can be a good seller for you.
Because like our best seller is this one here.
Oh, check it out, Tiger.
A car is transformed.
Check it out. Transform it, Tiger. Look.
Let's see. Let's turn this on here. So I could transform. I could go forward with this.
Whoa.
Spin around.
Wow.
I can put this back out to the regular car.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at that. Wow, look at that. That's a Ferrari or what?
That's cool, huh?
That's a cool Ferrari, huh, Tiger?
Yeah. Hey, look at that right there.
Wow, look at that.
No, Daddy, look at that in the back there. That's
It's like dial or something like that.
So this one it's like a compass.
Yeah, compass. That's what it is.
So this one here is pretty cool. It's pretty new. You can spin this in the middle like this. And you gotta spin it that too.
Look at that. That is awesome. Focus. That is awesome, Tiger. Hi. How you doing? That's cool, Tiger.
And I got some new stuff here.
Yeah, you do. You got a lot of new
stuff. Have you
stuff.
ever seen this before?
What is that, John? What is that?
This one here, you just spin it that like a spinner.
Yeah.
It's for the kids that cannot hold a fidget spinner.
Oh, really?
So you can take this out like this.
Wow, look at that. See that, Tiger? That's cool, huh? So you put it there and you spin it.
So even the 2-year-old can spin that.
Yeah. Oh.
I want this one.
You want this one? Well, you want to ask me? That is nice.
And then we got them in the blue or gold, but since your favorite color is gold, you do have gold.
Look, he got the small round fidget spinner too. Let's see.
Wait, can I see?
Yes.
Look at that. You got a lot of new fidget spinner.
So you just leave it here, then like you know, let me know what you like later on. Let me know, okay?
Oh wow, check it out, Tiger. Spin that one.
Try this one here. So you
Try
hold it
that
on the side here, and you spin it.
That's cool. Look at that. You can't go wrong with gold. Look at that.
That one there you can roll like a ball.
Yeah. Oh, no, drop it, Tiger.
Yeah.
He like that one. Look at him do it.
I like this one.
You like that one? You ask John though. Does it glow?
It doesn't glow. No. It's matte over
It's
there.
sparkle, huh?
All matte on.
Yeah, it's solid. You can feel it.
Out.
Yeah, it's nice. Wow.
You got the bat design here.
What? Look at that one, Tiger. Bat design. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that one. Wow.
It's the same thing. You can spin in the middle like that, and then you can spin like that.
Wow. Let's see the bat design. That is nice, John. Look at that. You got north and west. So if you're lost, right? Like, let's see. Let's go this way. That's nice. Oh, hi. Look.
She's back there.
What's she doing, huh?
Yeah.
That is nice. Wow, John. Oh, you want to see the drum? Go ahead, beat the drum.
You can hit it harder than that, Tiger. Let me put it down here, so that would be shorter.
You can wake up everybody right now. Oh wow! You're making your beat. You're making your own beat now. Yeah.
It's the gear spinners. You can spin like this on that side. You can also spin that.
Wow, that's cool, Tiger. Look at that. Awesome.
Check this one out, Tiger.
Oh, look at that X-Man.
Spin this one here.
That's cool. That's rare right there. You see that? That's a rare one. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it? Let's see. I can't see it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that is rare, Tiger.
You want to see some more rare ones, Tiger?
Look at that. Wow, that's cool design though. I like that, John. Look at it, red.
I want this.
It's a CNC machine.
Yeah,
size.
that's nice.
I want this.
Look, you got some more, Tiger. Look.
Okay, we got like a
Look at that. That's diamond. That's the we talking
20
about.
carat diamonds.
That's what we talking about. Minecraft stuff right there, Tiger. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? That's diamond. Remember y'all talking about diamond? That's the diamond. Look at that. That's cool.
So you can take one of this diamond and trade for something else.
Yeah. Oh wow. It feels nice too. It feels solid too. You see that? What are you doing? Minecrafting now? That's cool, huh?
That's the running.
Yeah, that's the Flash.
That's the
spinner.
running guy.
Wow, they come out all kind of fish spinner, huh, John?
You're like the largest here.
Yeah. Look at that. That's Flash. That's awesome. Look at that. Wow.
Look, it's going fast.
Let me see that. That is nice machining.
What does this last?
The symbol? See the Flash symbol? This is the lightning bolt.
Yeah, what does this last? What does this last?
Who, the glass?
Yeah, what does this last?
Oh, I don't know, John, maybe? That's nice, how the way it spins. That's clean. Look at that one still spinning, Tiger, look.
It's been like that for 5 minutes already.
Yeah, that thing, it's been a long time, Tiger. Yeah, it's in the box, yeah. Here we go. Wow, look at that.
You want it? So drop in water, it will hatch. Okay.
That's cool. That's gonna be cool, huh?
The instructions in the back with the the box.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. Wow.
And here's the smash for free mop.
Wow.
Go,
Look
Tiger.
at that. What'd you say, Tiger? What'd you say to John? A handshake. Come on. Oh, a high five. All right. Yeah. Thank you. All right. Thank you, John.
See you next time.
All right. Thank you. Let's go, Tiger.
Bye, Tiger. John gave me. Look, he gave me 2 eggs and an infinity cube, which is my favorite, and the X-Man that is your favorite, and mine too.
Stress ball. It's like a stress ball, Tiger.
Yeah, stress ball.
Wow, John is awesome. I like this. The X-Man Fidget Spinner. That is awesome. Look at that stress ball. See? Look at this. Wow. Look at that. I like it.
This.
That's an X-Man. That is cool. See it? It's real look, heavy. It feels heavy too, Tiger.
That's slide out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall there.
That is nice. What? How make a cube? You fold like that, yeah, and then how you make a cube? And like that. Yeah. That's awesome, Tiger.
Okay. Hang on. Hang on. This is how you make a cube. Right now.
Wow, that's awesome. I like the egg, the magic egg. Chicken egg. You put in water and it become a chicken. That's awesome. What'd you say, Tiger?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, TigerBox HD. Make sure to play my act game, Super Go, and Fox Spinning. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Tigers. What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.